My name is Henk Cornelissen. I'm from CGI in the Netherlands. At the moment we are implementing IQGeo at one distribution service provider. So that's for electricity and gas. The IQGeo software is very important that for the end user it must be very user-friendly, because there are people that are not used to working with such digital equipment, and the data must be very accurate. So what they change in the data, it goes back to the back office, and the next day it will be available for the whole company. That's very important. For IQGeo, a big advantage is that we can take the data model from the back office and bring it into the field as a one-to-one digital twin. So we don't have to do any transformation or difficult calculations or something like that. So that speeds up the time to implement the system. Within a few weeks we have the data as it is in the back office, we have it available in the field. So that's a really big advantage. In some situations the network doesn't work correctly and he's busy in the field. And when the network drops, he has no internet. And with IQGeo he can work offline and afterwards it will be synchronized again. So that's very important. A very big advantage for the IQGeo platform and the apps is that you can also start very small. You can start with a viewer functionality, just get the data in the field available. And then afterwards you can add on the same platform, you can use it for outages or you can use it for inspection. And you don't have to change your platform, you don't have to change your software, just extend it with a new module. And that's a big advantage compared to the situation now, because now they have all different solutions and they have to buy other software. So now you can use the same platform and the same architecture and extend it and use it for house connections or new network or new capture possibilities. I think IQGeo software that's quite unique for that.